Morning, gentlemen. Jim Tracy, Land Use Council for Federal Materials, Thorndike Resources, and Good Canal Sand and Gravel. After hearing the saga presented to you this morning by Mr. and Mrs. Coker, all I can do is offer them my condolences. Unfortunately, due process and equal protection are sometimes elusive qualities here in Jefferson County. Last week, I submitted to you a public records request. I received timely responses from the Commissioner's Office and the Prosecutor's Office, both telling me that my request was going to take 60 days to comply with, 30 to 60 days. I have been working with Deputy Prosecutor Alvarez to severely limit the scope of the public records request in terms of the Prosecutor's Office because I have most of those documents. I'm not interested in getting a lot of copies or a lot of material that's irrelevant and putting anyone, even including you gentlemen, any unnecessary and arbitrary or onerous demands. I am going to find out, however, what is in your records that are not public about my clients. This request should not take 30 to 60 days. I'm waiting for a revised time estimate from the prosecutor's office, and if I'm not satisfied with the amount of time that is finally offered to me as a projected time of compliance, I will seek redress from the court if necessary. Commissioner Austin, last week I made a public records request for any and all correspondence initiated or received by you discussing the Magnuson Award to the Hood Canal Coalition. I've heard nothing from you in a week. We know that this document is incomplete, has no addressee, has no date, has no transmittal sheet or anything else. Once again, I expect a response to that public records request in a timely fashion, or else I will have to seek redress for that delay. The Public Records Act is there for a purpose. There is a good body of case law, and by the way, Ms. Coker, you were quite correct that the mere inclusion of an attorney as a CC or an addressee on a document does not give it attorney-client privilege exemption under the Public Records Act. Let's stop playing around and comply with the request, gentlemen. Thank you very much.
Jim.